Hey guys, it's BMX Kid here, and today we're going to do a bike check on my 2013-2014 Sabrosa Silva 2. First we're going to start off with these pedals. You know, you got to rock the mongoose, because why not? My rant pedals, they just, every time I hit the grind box, just gone. So there's the pedals. Cranks, I have no idea where these cranks came from. They were just given to me, and they were lighter than my old cranks, so I just put them on. And the sprocket here, you know, pretty sexy, and gold and stuff. It's a profile sprocket. I don't know the exact name, but it's a profile sprocket. I got a BSD chain. It's pretty good. My Shadow one, it broke within 3 months. It cracked. It kept cracking links. So eventually I ran out of links, so I just bought a BSD chain. And it's been doing pretty good through the abuse I put it through. And here are my pegs, very well used. I've had these pegs since I started BMXing, and they hold up they've held up pretty well. You know, slight wear, you know, to be expected. And for my back rim, I have a Demolition free coaster with the rim. And I bought it with the rim and the hub. It's pretty good. It doesn't give me any problems. It just, the spokes like kind of chatter every time when I ride. And I have a premium tire. Not sure. It came off my original bike, but it's alright tire. It kind of sucks. It's penetrated by every little thing. And for my seat, I know it's a Shadow seat. I don't know what kind of Shadow seat though. It was also given to me. And for the front of my bike, I have a set of Shadow bars, copper, because why not? And for my grips, you know, got some Sabrosa grips with the duct tape, because duct tape. And same thing, rocking the duct tape. Gotta love the duct tape. For my stem, I have a fit stem, not sure what kind of though. And forks, Shadow forks, because Shadow only lets me down with the chain. So yeah. And for my front tire, I have a Demolition momentum tire, and I have a Deviant front rim by Alienation. It's a pretty good rim. Every once in a while, I'll break the inner bearings in the hubs. Actually, no, I don't. They're broken, they're shattered. I'm getting a new stuff for that. And for my bottom bracket, I have a Deco bottom bracket, because, you know, Deco. And for my headset, also Deco, because Deco hasn't let me down yet. And most of these parts, like my rear rim, front rim, my pegs, my sprocket, my chain, those pedals, and my bars. I think I've already said stem, but I'll say it again. And my forks. I bought all of them myself. And this frame too. It was only a $300 frame, but I'm not very good at outros. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys, and see you next time.